Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. It's Sunday, September 18th, 2022. Hope you had a good week trading. I certainly did not. In terms of agenda for this week, first, a quick market overview. I'll get into my trading style, review current trades that I'm in. There was no new activity, and then we'll talk a little bit about what to look at for tomorrow's trading day. So before we get into it, first, just a quick disclaimer, this is not investment advice, just my opinions on the stocks. And having said that, let's jump on into some charts. Um, let's see. Looking at the SPY, down 0.76, definitely a tough trading week. This is still just remaining in the downtrend below key moving averages. Same deal kind of in the Qs, down 0.6 on Friday. IWM, minus 1.45, a bit weaker relatively speaking. TLT, down 0.83, major downtrend. Gold up a little bit, but still looking pretty crappy, breaking down even against below July and August's lows, so not looking great on gold. I'm having it poke at the VIX, only up slightly, 0.1 percentage, up above 26, still considered an elevated VIX though, so again, small position sizing. I do have a number of positions open, but they are relatively small and limiting my overall risk. So weekly updates, week ending 9/16 this past Friday. In terms of where I am year to date, I'm minus 2.56 versus the S&P last week. Over the course of the past week, I dropped 1%, which kind of sucks. The S&P was down 4, so a pretty tough week. I outperformed a little bit, but definitely not where I want to be. Trying to get back to even, and definitely realizing on the clock here, only a few months left to go in the trading year. What am I looking for in my trades? You'll see these in the 10 we'll jump into. Just trying to buy stocks breaking out on a 6-month or more base, going up on high volume. So EVH kind of hanging in. It did just touch a 52-week high or all-time high on Thursday, and then sold off quite a bit into later on Thursday and Friday, but still hanging out above key moving averages, so hanging on there. ELU minus 5%, kind of an inside month, which I am okay with, but really keeping an eye on last month's 8 EMA. That would be my stop should this continue lower. ISV, this one pulled back quite a bit this week. It was as high as 109 earlier in the month, closing in on the high price in August, which was 110.94, which is where I would be looking to add more. If it breaks above August level right around here in this horizontal area, if it breaks above that, definitely would be a spot I'm looking to add more. But if it does go lower, beneath this month's low of 160 cents, or which is roughly last month's low, that is exactly where I'll be looking to cut and run. So $100 or so is a key area, which gives about $3.60 versus where it is today. EN hanging out with an inside month after an explosive last month, so it's not bad. Looking at last month's ADMA, still got quite a bit of room in terms of where I would be stopping out. That's kind of the key theme here, just looking at stocks that have pulled back, respecting stop losses to definitely keep my risk minimized. If this does continue to flex, if that goes lower beneath this month's low of $17, only 75 cents or so to go, that's an area that I'll potentially be looking to cut and run. CPX, same deal on this, just got crushed on Friday, minus 7%, so keeping an eye on last month's 8 EMA, that would be where I'm looking to cut and run in case that doesn't work out. DNOW, same deal. This is pulling back a little bit. This is probably one of the closer stocks that is to potentially stopping out, so that's definitely on watch for Monday. At minus 4%. Another tough one, but kind of same deal, just respecting last month's ADMA. It's my stop. And the newest trade, Cano, CANO. This is still in the earlier stages of a breakout. In my opinion, I'm using this current month's low, 575, as my stop. So while this pulled back 5% on Friday, got a little bit of room there. So in terms of what to look at for the next couple trading days, really just managing profit target and stop loss. So respecting the current positions that I'm in. If they break down any lower, below last month's moving average, that's where I'll be looking to cut and run. And probably not going to be adding any new positions. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching and have a good night.